So somebody asked me the other day on one of my social media platforms, why is the paint splattering all over the place on my job site? And I'm going to give you three possible reasons why this can be happening. And I'm going to start off, one thing in the paint. I'm going to start off talking about the paint. Two things: get high quality paints and try to stick to lighter colors if you're really concerned about the splattering. But if you use a high-end paint, like the paint that I'm using today, it's a super dark color that we're going to be working with today. It splatters very little because of the solid content and the resin content in the paint, and a couple of other reasons I'm going to talk about, and one of them is the tool you're actually using. Today I'm using an ultra micro roller cover. This is a 3/8 inch roller cover. It's a microfiber roller cover. This is a roller cover from Premier. Now this is a super high-end roller that's going to splatter very, very little if it's paired with the right paints. Ultra microfiber roller, it's a high capacity roller that has a smooth, consistent release to it, and it's less likely to splatter using a high-end roller. You really get what you pay for. Stick to high-end rollers and not cheap rollers that will cause your paint to splatter or will even release lints all over your wall. If I start to roll too fast, that's going to actually cause my paint to splatter. You're actually spinning that roller so fast and the lens or the fibers is spinning and want to pull paint up and flick paint off the wall. So you want to keep a nice, smooth, consistent speed on your wall. You don't want to go too fast. Speed about like this is going to give me success when it comes to paint not splattering. Now I purposely don't have any paper down there so I can see if I can actually do what some people do. You want to roll too fast. I'm trying to do this. You want to be fast. I mean, if you're masking and you don't care about splatter, you can roll it fast. And I look down, see, that's pretty dang good. That's pretty impressive. That paint right there, coupled with a high-end roller, only had a couple on the splatters. But if you don't have a high-end roller, you don't have high-end paint, you start moving really fast like that, more likely you're gonna get splatters, especially on your ceiling. So the last thing I'll say about splatters when it comes to technique, when laying out your wall, when I'll be rolling my wall and laying out your wall, I actually lay out my wall from top to bottom, because as the roller's rolling, it's coming up. And if there is any flicks or splatters, it's going to land right back on top of my roller. If I roll in an upward motion to lay off, if there's any splatters that are coming off, they're going to drop straight down onto your baseboards, your floor, your carpet, whatever. It's typically why we mask, to make sure we don't get any splatters on anything. But there's nothing more annoying than rolling this whole entire ceiling and have splattering in your face or in your eyes.